Hello everyone, I am Naneshwari Chidrawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video we are covering very simple topic, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. We all know the formula for area of triangle, that is half into base into height. Okay, now let's see what is the ratio of areas of two triangles. For that, here I have taken two triangles randomly. For triangle ABC, BC is the base and this is the height. B1 is the base and H1 is the height. And for triangle PQR, base is B2 and H2 is the height. Now let's see what is the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. With this formula we can find the area of triangle individually. See, area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into base into height. B1 into H1. Right? Now for triangle PQR, area is half into B2 into H2. When we take ratio, this becomes like this. This half gets cancelled. So we are left with B1 H1 by B2 H2. So we can say a ratio of area of two triangles is nothing but the ratio of product of their base and corresponding height. Okay. Now if I impose some conditions here. Say two triangles are of equal base. Means for both the triangles B1 is equals to B2. Then what is the ratio here? See, B1 is equals to B2. Then this gets cancelled. So ratio of area of two triangle becomes H1 by H2. Ratio of their corresponding heights. Now let's see few triangles of equal base. Triangles can be like this. This is first triangle and second triangle is like this. Then ratio of their areas is ratio of their corresponding heights. H1 by H2. Okay. Two triangles can be like this. This is first triangle and second triangle is like this. For both the triangles, base is equal. Here base is equal. So ratio of their areas is nothing but ratio of their corresponding heights. Fine. Two triangles can be like this also. First triangle is like this and second triangle like this. For both the triangles, base is equal. So ratio of their areas is ratio of their corresponding heights. Now if I say two triangles are of equal height, means H1 is equals to H2. Then what happens to this ratio? See, this H1 is equal to H2. This gets cancelled. So we are left with B1 by B2. So ratio of areas of two triangles become B1 by B2 is nothing but the ratio of their corresponding bases. See, two triangles of equal height can be like this. This is first triangle and second triangle is inside this. First is the bigger triangle, second triangle is like this. For both the triangles, height is same. Right? Then for these triangles, area is nothing but the ratio of their corresponding base. For these two triangles, again height is equal. Ratio of their areas is nothing but ratio of their corresponding base. Fine. Now let's solve few examples on this. Here I have taken three examples. Let's solve this first. What is given? In this figure, if BC is 10, BC is 10 and PQ is 6, this PQ is 6, then we have to find this ratio. Area of triangle ABC, bigger triangle divided by area of triangle APQ. Okay. Now for these two triangles ABC and APQ, base are BC and PQ. So for both the triangles, height is like this, somewhere like this, and it is equal height for both the triangle, right? So ratio of area of two triangles having equal height is nothing but ratio of their corresponding base, right? So for ABC, base is BC and for APQ triangle, corresponding base is PQ. Let's substitute these values here and find this ratio. BC is nothing but 10 units divided by PQ is 6 units. So this ratio is 5 by 3. Area of triangle ratio is 5 by 3. Got it? Now let's solve these two examples. Before that, pause this video and take screenshot. Try to solve these on your own. Then match your answers with mine. Now let's solve this example. This is the figure. Then what is given? If PM is equals to 10 centimeter, this height is given. Area of triangle TQS is 100 centimeter square, and area of triangle QRS, this triangle area is 110 centimeter square. Then we have to find this height NR. How to find it? See, for both the triangles PQS and QRS, base is common. QS means there are two triangles of equal base. So we can say ratio of area of two triangles having equal base is nothing but ratio of their corresponding heights. So for PQS triangle, height is PM, and for this triangle height is NR. Now let's substitute these values here and find NR value. See, area of triangle PQS is 100, area of triangle QRS is 110, is equals to PM 10 by NR. This gets cancelled, this 10 gets cancelled. So NR is 11. Unit is centimeter. Fine. Now let's solve this. In this figure, what is given? If RQ is 6, this length is 6 units, PS is 6, this height is given, and PR is 12, this complete length is 12. Then we have to find QT. How to find that? Can you imagine equation having these four terms? See, here consider triangle PQR. For same triangle, ratio of their area is 1. See, area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle PQR is 1. Because it's same triangle, so ratio is 1. Now, PQR, you can consider RQ as base and PS as height. Okay, RQ into PS divided by, for the same triangle you can consider PR as base and QT as height. PR into QT is 1. Now we have three values, we have to find fourth one. Let's do it. See, RQ is 6 into PS is 6 divided by PR 12, and we have to find QT is equals to 1. 6 2s are 2 3s are. So QT value is 3 units. Done? Easy. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.